Welcome, today in front of me Samsung B2710 Solid, and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So to do that, you should just here on the right side of your device find this button and just press and hold for 3 seconds this button, and by this way you can enable your activate your flashlight. And if you want to turn it off, just hold for a while, and by this way you can turn it off. So hold for 2 seconds and you'll turn it on, and to turn it off just press once this button. Here you got the torch icon, as can you see on this button. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.